When removing the membrane from ribs, first lay the ribs down with the membrane facing up. Next, obtain a knife. A dull knife works the best. At the short end of the ribs, insert the tip of the knife under the membrane at the location of the second or third rib. Next, run the knife straight through underneath the membrane to the other side. Next, angle the knife blade down at a slight angle. Then fillet the membrane away from the ribs in this manner. This will free up enough membrane to grasp. Now obtain a dry folded paper towel. Use the towel to grasp the loose end of the membrane as seen here. While holding the ribs with the other hand, simply pull the membrane away in this manner. The ribs are now ready for seasoning.